I want to ask you, because I feel that this is going to be really paramount for lawyers who are like new to the game or have just like stepped out into running their own practice. Is what is the one greatest piece of advice that you would give to them about interacting with clients?
That's a great question. I, it's funny. I saw something on social media the other day, and it was like a step-by-step guide for how to talk to clients. And I remember thinking, like, these things sound great, but if you got to tell somebody how to talk to somebody, it's like that's going to be an awkward thing. It's kind of like, dancing. Some people just are naturally, have good rhythm. Other people can't, and they just need a lot of work. But watching somebody like have forced empathy, it's painful. It's almost worse than no empathy where there's no attempt. I think it is empathy. I mean, I think genuinely caring about people and wanting to do right by them. I don't think there is any way to necessarily teach that. And, I think it comes through with the people that are in the plaintiff's personal injury world for the wrong reason. I mean, I think I call it my purity test. There's people on the defense side that want to come over and be plaintiff's lawyers because they think it's an easy way to make money. They see all the checks that they're writing out, settling the cases. They go, that's just an easy way to make money. No, absolute wrong reason to do it. And in fact, when we put job listings out for associates, I specifically put in there, if you want to be a plaintiff's lawyer because you think it's an easy way to make money, you need not apply. It may be one of the reasons we don't get many job applications when we put attorney listings out, but I'd rather have people self-select that out. But, for me, I mean, I grew up in a military town, Fayetteville, North Carolina, went to public schools. I got a job when I turned 16 working at a hardware store that also kind of interestingly also rented party equipment, like the big inflatable bounce houses and other stuff, but also like lawn and garden equipment. It was a weird kind of setup. But one of the things that we had to do was every time a customer walked in, we had to greet them and talk to them. And just the amount of interaction I had with people from all walks of life, again, military town, people from all different economic backgrounds, races, ethnicities, everything. Just kind of understanding and getting to talk to people. And I genuinely liked it too, because I think that's part of my human nature is to care about people and try to identify with them. I think the lessons I learned from that, and just how to talk to people were invaluable. I think there's a lot of people that don't understand that because of maybe how they were brought up. Maybe they, the schools they went to, they just haven't interacted with regular people. And I don't know the way to teach that, right? I mean, I think some of it's just you either have empathy and care about people or you don't. But if you don't, you shouldn't be doing this, period. Go work at a defense firm, bill some hours, go do something else. Don't come over to the plaintiff side.